Welcome to the default ceiling plane finish videos. I built a house right here, H, and I don't have a ceiling in it, okay? And so I'm going to put a scissor truss in there, say, and I want to put a ceiling plane in here. Well, what kind of a material does this ceiling plane take on? I built two ceiling planes, okay? Now, if I look at this house, Ship J, and I look at it, there they are. You can see what the ceiling planes look like. They're drywall. See that ceiling plane and this ceiling plane? They're both drywall. Perfect. That's what I expect. Now, here, I have a plan right here. And scissor truss situation again. Anyway, let's see, Ship J. I look in here, and I cut the ceiling plane back, and you're going to see in a second that the ceiling plane is something. Oh boy, come on. Where's my view? Tick, 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 tick. Oh, there it is. There's my ceiling plane. One U. And room ceiling finish. It says you use room ceiling. Well, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. I'm not sure if that's proved my. This is what I'm getting at. I forget what slope this is. This is a 4 and 12 pitch. Okay, so I'm going to build another ceiling plane. What is it, 4 and 12 pitch? Yeah, 4. There we go, 4. I'm going to build another ceiling plane next to it, and let's see what kind of material I get. Ceiling plane right here, right there, and I bet it's stucco. It's defaulted for whatever reason. It's defaulted. Do I have my view still? Yeah. The question is, why do I? Yeah, yeah. See that? See, it's the ceiling plane has two materials to it. My ceiling plane. Well, I know why the other ones are working because I picked it. But I can change this. Well, it's using the room ceiling finish. What is you? It's a drywall finish. But for some reason, my ceiling plane is taken. You can see the Z fighting right there, right? In fact, if I uncheck this, what happens? Let's see if I uncheck it. But what I'm getting at is it has defaulted to. Come on, Jesus Christ! I'm just telling you, it's sucko. See, I don't know. Oh, there it is, right there. I'm not even sure what this other line is. But the question is, what kind of material is that? Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. Oh, it's color bone. Why is that color bone? Actually, sometimes it's been stucco. I have done where it's you. Oh, use room ceiling finish because I think I unchecked it or something. I don't know what I did with it. But sometimes my question is, what gives me my room ceiling? What defaults the room ceiling finish? And see, now I'm getting my Z fighting again. Hang on a second. Shift C. Stucco. 1, 2. Edit. Pink. Let's see if I just change it. See if I can prove that it's really a stucco finish. That's all I'm trying to do. and make this one. Oh, come on. I'm processing a video. That's the problem. Yeah, okay, fine. Two different colors. Let's see if it's... I don't know why I'm getting the Z fighting, to be quite frank with you. So it's not stucco. It's something else, I guess. So I don't get this. So if I take the ceiling U, bump and minus 12, move minus 12, minus, minus 12. Let's see what happens to it. Did I move it? Did it move? Yeah, come on, mother. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I know how to change it. I do know how to change it. All I need to do is just select the U, uncheck this, and watch this. I can't change that material. But if I go over to General and uncheck this, go to Materials, I can now change that material and it's color bone. So why is it defaulting to color bone? That's the question. I don't know. So I have a sneaky feeling that it might have to do with the soffits. Select all, unlock, okay, check out my roofs, Q, U, and materials. Oh, I got the wrong, I just said one roof plane, U, materials. It's the soffit eave. That's what it is. The ceiling plane's getting this material from the soffit eave, I guess, because if I select all my ceiling ceiling planes, lock my ceiling planes, lock them. Okay, fine. Now if I come over to here and select all my roofs, U, material. I didn't do it again. Hey, how about if I do this? Roof plane, materials, soffit, color bone, plan material, granite. Okay, now the question is, if I look at this picture, sorry, if I look at this picture, full camera, is it now a granite? Is it Z fighting with the granite now? I think it's use room ceiling finish. I'm going back to what the default was. That's all I'm doing. Hello, come on. And I think this might prove it. Yep, there it is. Now it's granite. Now it's granite. See that? So the ceiling plane gets its finish from the soffit material of the roof. I don't know what happens if I don't use room ceiling finish. Oh well, here I know what to do. Here I'm gonna do something else real quick. Get rid of this. Fine, whatever. Yeah, now it's all granite, and it got it from the soffit material, right? So let's go back to my out of the box deal. Don't save, and I'm going to check out my materials for my roofs. Materials, soffit. Oh, it's color bone. Plan material. Change it to pressure-treated lumber. Okay. Now if I draw another ceiling plane in here, you think it's going to be whatever I just said it was? Shift J. No. U. See, I was getting that Z fighting. For some reason, I was getting the Z fighting. It was reading it as both. But now this is you either use a room ceiling finish or it's going to default over to the soffit material. Isn't that interesting? But in my case, I was getting Z-fighting. Because remember, I was leaving use room ceiling finish on, and then I was getting a Z-fighting on it. I don't know why. Anyway, that's the end of that one.